Welcome to 124 Sparrow Hawk Lane in Rockwood, Tennessee. Look at the views that you're going to get from your home here on Watts Bar Lake. The property is located in East Tennessee. Of course, Tennessee has no individual income tax, so lots of economic freedom as we're looking now at the area of Whites Creek in Rockwood, and you see how much water frontage is here. Now here's the property. Look at this. The blue line there tells us that there's over 800 feet of water frontage here on Watts Bar Lake. The property is over 4,600 square feet of heated and cooled area. There's about 3,000 feet on the main level. What a beautiful piece of real estate. This land is level. It's just a very easy meandering stroll down to the water side. There is a very nice seawall here, and also lots of riprap, but just look at this extraordinary property. There's lots of amenities here on the property. The columbine that you see here is volunteer. There are so many beautiful East Tennessee plants in this area, and on the water you have all types of birds. If you're a bird watcher, this is a beautiful property. Lots of views from the home here, as you see. Triple windows on the lake side of the home, which look out over Watts Bar Lake. The home was built in 1953, so you can imagine the vintage mid-century look here in this beautiful home that was constructed very uniquely. It has a contemporary feel, but the home was built to maximize the views on Watts Bar Lake. We've just exited here at a door on the upper level, which comes out of the library, and an excellent place just to sit out, have some quiet moments overlooking the lake. The wood in this home is magnificent, and you really need to just come stand in this property and look at the quality and the richness of the wood in this home. It has kind of a mid-century California feel to it with its design and elegance. And here are two upper guest bedrooms, which just a fine example of the property making use of the lake views. And do you need a metal building? Here it is. It's insulated. Wonderful space here for your boat or any projects that you have going on. So come see this property. Give Billy Houston a call at 865-577-7653 and come see this wonderful property here on Watts Bar Lake. I want to thank you for watching. Here's the slideshow coming up, and have a great day.